The innovative bit about WRC SIMPOL ICM is a truly integrated catchment model. So it represents all the components in the human water cycle. We have simulation models that we use currently in the industry, and those models can represent the catchments and the rivers, the treatment works, that's clean and wastewater, and clean and wastewater networks as well. But with SIMPOL ICM, all these components are represented in the one model, so they can be run simultaneously. SIMPOL ICM is a weather-driven model, so we can represent changes in rainfall and temperature, and really understand how all these different components interact. And that's important for Southern Water, because they need to understand how the catchment responds, how the wastewater treatment works responds, where there are abstractions, how they might affect the river levels, and how that might impact on dilution capacity somewhere else in the catchment. So all these components in the human water cycle interact, and we can represent that in one tool. And then we can use the model to run many decades of simulation continuously, and I mean 30, 40, 50, even 100 years we're doing for Southern. And this gives us a real insight into changes in the catchment and how those changes interact. So we can get a much better solution, and we can use the model to test many different configurations of solutions and really identify for Southern what's the most cost-effective solution for the customers, and one that's robust, and the regulator will be confident in the solution that this model provides. The catchment is defined as the river catchment. So when we talk about the River Medway, we're talking about the whole river watershed of the River Medway itself.